What's up, guys? Today we're going to NorCal, so let's get our Starbucks, or Starbucks as you call it, and we'll head out there. We got the rest of the boys over there at the gas station, so super stoked. Yeah, see you in like 2 seconds. Alright guys, a good rolling out here with the boy 2, and then we got this Camaro as well as GTI. Why are we doing this trip, by the way? Doing it for the boys, but yeah, it's basically how it goes down. We got some junior vloggers over here. Go follow their YouTube channel. It's totally what this is. Oh, look, another vlogger! Dude, oh my god. Yeah, so, how are you? You ready to kill it? Kill it, man. Yeah, dude, we're having a vlog trifecta right now, man. Alright, so the boy Jimmy wants to show us something. What does the boy want to show us?
Cage color.
Is that purple?
No, it's red and purple. Oh.
It was supposed to be red.
It's a transition color.
Oh, really?
In different lighting. Watch this. As soon as I hit this with a flashlight.
Is that on purpose, or is that a...
No, it's on purpose.
That looks pretty cool, actually. So we're going to have some dope content for you guys today, and probably this whole weekend. And yeah, we're going to mob up there, even though they kind of don't want to go that fast, but we'll figure it out. We'll have like a protein bar for breakfast, and we'll see you guys out there. It's going to be cool. It's going to be cool. See you guys there. Guys, so first problem of the trip, we got our boy Jimmy's got way too much weight in his car. It's just killing his tires, man. Hey Jimmy, I don't know about you, but this isn't very cash money, bro.
Bro, look at that fitment. That is cash money.
Yeah, so we're getting some weight off the back. Told him to just
spare you want to take out?
Boost it.
Spare you want to take out?
Being boost a lot more, that way he can burn more gas.
You know what? I might.
He accidentally put too much gas in his car, which is kind of hilarious. But what's not hilarious is that his tire's getting chewed up. Oh my god, every single time. Yeah, no, he's getting his coverage, but yeah, we're all just kind of chilling out here. Pretty dope. Say hi to the Buffy, aka my dude. Look at that. Trying to get it. Look at that. It's like in the barn almost. Pretty sick. Got the boy 2 being the boy as always. It's pretty cool. I don't know where we're at. We're somewhere around the 152. But it's a pretty sick area. We're almost there. Wait, why do you always have like the biggest smile on your face, no matter what happens?
Like how you're documenting our failures right now.
Yeah, like literally, this is just like, oh whatever, it's chill.
What else do you do? Smile.
God, look at this. This is the car I decided to road trip in. Could you imagine riding in this for like 8 hours? It's savage, man.
All right, how we doing?
Well, guys, so I did break my car, actually. Check this out. Super annoying. Look at that. The bumper said bye-bye, guys. Oh my god. No more bumper. Hey, 2, what do you think about our broken bumper?
It's beautiful.
It's not very cash money, huh?
It's okay.
It's actually very cash money because it's gonna cost some money to fix. But yeah, guys, so I think it's how they bumper mounted the splitter. My buddy did it. When it went in, like you can see all the pressure that's on the bumper right here. So 2 and I are thinking that this head's gonna break next. So after this trip, we're gonna go ahead and take off the splitter, and hopefully we can repair that side somehow. Like Jimmy rig it back together. Because I don't mind buying another bumper because it'll be like maybe $500. But what I do mind is I don't want to rewrap the bumper. It's a complete pain to wrap those bumpers, and I don't want to do that again. So I'm gonna see if I can figure something out so I can get by the next 2-3 months while the car's still wrapped red, and then when I wrap it the next color, then I'll probably go ahead and get a new bumper. But that's the
Ray was seen stunting too hard on the Gilroy 152 freeway. The snowplower doesn't work during spring season. It disconnected the bumper, and you see from all the scene points he carries with him and all the clout, it tore off his bumper. It's an unfortunate event. It happens to the best of us.
And with that, we'll see you guys in like 5 seconds. Talker yet? No, he was just interrogating me, bro.
That one, I guess, across the street.
He said that there was too much clout going on.
Oh.
Yeah. So I had to take the hit for the boys, man.
He didn't give you a ticket, did he?
No, of course not.
Did you video it?
Yeah, actually, I got him like going away. Sheriff Cisneros is a nice guy. No.
So he just pulled you over for what reason?
Dude, the funny thing is, he's like, "What's that fuzzy thing in the back?" And I'm like, "Oh, it's a microphone." He's like, "Well, what's that for?" I'm like, "Oh, it's for testing." He's like, "What do you mean testing?"
Testing?
And then I pulled up the GoPro. I'm like, "Yeah, the microphone on this is really bad, so I'm trying to find an option that doesn't have static." So I figured outside would be the best since there's wind, you know?
Oh, damn.
Hey, so we're in San Francisco now. You can see by all the houses, very San Francisco style. No parking anywhere. But yeah, we kind of went and chilled out at the house for a couple hours, and now we're ready to go take some pictures. So terrorizing San Francisco streets. Alright guys, so we made it here to the shooting spot. Check it out, it's pretty dope. It's like kind of like an industrial spot. A lot of abandoned buildings. Could make for a lot of dope content. Got some focus squad came out here, so that'll be pretty dope.
No, honestly, the rest of it.
Photographers are trying to figure out where they want to take pictures. Got two down there already taking pictures by the kind of like a green building, which is pretty dope. Yeah, Nick's already shooting in his wide body M3. One choppy boy over there, so that's cool. Little E36 action. Alright, my bumper is not getting any better, by the way. It's still pretty broken. Totally not a vibe, but we'll fix it for sure at some point. But yeah, I'm gonna let the boys do their thing and maybe do some shots so I can do some dope little Instagram videos, right? Also, John did confirm it's the lips. All right, guys. So the sun's pretty much set, actually. Fuck. All right, so the sun is pretty much set. We're just trying to get some last-minute shots. Looks like Jimmy and Steven and friends, they're all kind of doing their own shoot. It looks like Steven's actually doing the shot I kind of thought about with two, but we're doing this pretty dope head-to-head, this little Monarch Street like airstrip sort of thing. So that should be pretty cool. After this, I think two's gonna go home. I know they're gonna want to grab dinner, and then I'm not too sure, but it's pretty dope. What's his face? James out here. Alright guys, so here's the nightcap. We're having dinner quarantine style, which means we can't actually hang out with our friends, but we can remotely. So that's the nightcap. We're just gonna do ratchet things afterwards, and we'll see y'all next time. Probably tomorrow when we go to Monterey. So peace.